So you gotta have ice cream on holiday, right?
Pastel pink in the sunset. You know I never wanna make you upset. How did I become so obsessed with this?
Literally, he hit that and the whole window came down on me. I saw my life flash in front of me. Wow! There's a big hole now in the train, in the bus. Damn. What a way to start the holiday. Hey guys, let me do a room tour for you. This place is insane. This is the bedroom. Oh my gosh, all of this is space. There's even robes, guys. I'm gonna get involved. There is all of this area. Okay, I'm looking shady because I haven't taken showers, so I'm not gonna show myself, but I need to get cute or whatever. And there's even I think they told me there was a bar fridge, but how do I open the damn thing? Ooh, fancy. Open the bar fridge and there's like complimentary fruits and drink in there. Wow, this is so nice. Obviously the tea situation. And then we have the bathroom, which is also just beautiful. Just amazing, amazing new showers. All the bath towels and what have you. Yeah, I told you I'm looking extra shade, but this isn't. It shall do. Ooh, there's even a bidet. I'm not gonna use that, but you know, it's there if you want it. And let me show you the view, guys. Oh my gosh, the view is insane. Look at what I open up to and walk out into. What the hell? Is this not just like a dream? Am I just in a dream right now? Wow. Wow. We on holiday! So this is my first outfit, guys. I just got here, so I just wanted to just put on something cute. You know, I've got my bikini underneath, and I got my sunnies, and we're just gonna go to the beach. Not the beach. I think we're gonna go to the swimming pool, and chill, have some mimosas. No mimosas. It's too late for mimosas, but we're gonna have like some cocktails and enjoy the beach, guys. So let's go. But this is such a cute little jumper thingy. I had one of these before, but I haven't worn one of these in a long time, and I've forgotten how much I love these. So cute. Anyway, let's go, guys. Let's have some fun. Me again. So I finally got out of my room, and I'm now gonna go and chill by the pool area because it's first day, guys. I can't be out and about like doing crazy things on the first day. I'm gonna go chill, get a mimosa, you know, enjoy my life, enjoy my best life, because this is what we work for. Okay, so it's quite a big resort type thing. There's different areas, you can relax. You just find a spot and you just plonk yourself there, and you can order in. There's waiters around who come to you, and you can order what you want and they bring it to you. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna find a spot to sit down and put ourselves together and go from there. So I'm just chilling by the beach. No, not by the beach, by the pool. With my cocktail. I asked it to be super strong and he did not disappoint. Super, super strong. But it's good. It's good. I'm happy. But yeah, enjoying life. The slow side of life anyway. Toodaloo. Oh wow, so my ass overslept. Took a nap and it ended up being like a whole like sleep, like I legit slept. So I decided to take a walk outside and watch the sunset. Whoa, it's so windy here today. So yeah, I'm by the beach, right by my hotel. It's amazing, the hotel's right there. And then the beach is right there. How amazing, right? So yeah, I'm just strolling and taking a walk down the there's like a little path down there. So let's see where it takes us. Let's go. Breakfast indoors, in house, I mean anyway. They have a whole breakfast selection. I've already had like my starters, which were like cheeses and what have you, and they always bring out a mimosa. I love this place, they're always ready with alcohol. So yeah, this is the breakfast. It's not bad, it's a lot of stuff available, and this is an amazing view, so it's amazing, definitely perfect. So now we're gonna go to go see what are we gonna see? We're gonna go to the town city center. As you saw in the morning, I went for a little bit of a pool. No, not a pool. As you saw in the morning, I went for a little bit of a dip in the sea this morning. Great way to wake up. So yeah, we had breakfast, and now we're gonna go and see the city center and see what it has to offer. So stay tuned. Now I'm going to the city center, and I will recommend always, guys, if you are traveling, speak to the locals. I spoke to a lady here. She's been living here for 3 years with her husband, and they are from the UK, but they live here now. So she has some great recommendations for me to go see, and I had none. So the best way, honestly, to find places and to meet people is to speak to locals and be open to it. I mean, obviously sometimes they don't speak your language, but if you can just, figure it out, it works. But luckily she spoke English, and she was able to just give me a few tips and places to visit. So yeah, best way, just a tip for me, speak to locals if you're traveling, because they know the best places. Your hotel will tell you, but they'll tell you the touristy places. But if you want to know the places, the real authentic places, you speak to locals. So yeah, just a little tip. This is the city center. I'm somewhere in the middle of this place. I think it's a city center, but it's so small. Maybe it is what it is. Yes, it must be. And you can actually go jump off of that little dock over there. It's pretty cool. I mean, I was in the water and I know this water is really slippery, so I think it's pretty cool to have a place to just go down on. ice cream on holiday, right? So good. Beach ice cream. What more could a person ask for?